Nigeria is a fascinating country located in West Africa, just north of the equator. It's known as an LEDC, less economically developed country. But despite this, Nigeria is rich in natural resources and has a very diverse landscape and climate. Nigeria is a large country, about 4 times the size of the United Kingdom, and it is the most populous country in Africa. Because it's situated close to the equator, the climate is mostly tropical, meaning it's warm throughout the year, and there are distinct wet and dry seasons. Nigeria's average temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius. The amount of rainfall it receives each year is about 165 mm, but this can vary depending on where you are in the country. The southern regions, which are closer to the coast, tend to have a more humid and wet climate, with very little change in temperature throughout the year. The farther you travel inland to the north, the drier and more arid it becomes. In these areas, the dry season is much longer, and the wet season is shorter. Nigeria's physical geography is incredibly diverse, and its different climate zones support a variety of tropical vegetation types. Along the coast, especially in the Niger Delta, you'll find mangrove forests. Mangroves grow in swampy areas where fresh water mixes with salt water and are home to many species of fish, birds, and other wildlife. Near the coast, Nigeria has areas of dense tropical rainforest. These forests are lush, with tall trees and lots of plant and animal life. The warm temperatures and high rainfall make it ideal for this type of vegetation. The majority of Nigeria is covered in savanna. This is a landscape of open grassland with scattered trees such as baobabs and acacias. Savannas are found further inland, and they get less rainfall than the coastal rainforests. One of the most important physical features in Nigeria is the Niger River. It is the 3rd longest river in Africa and flows through several West African countries before emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. The Niger River is vital for agriculture, fishing and transportation in Nigeria, especially in the Niger Delta, where it forms a vast network of rivers and streams. Nigeria has a huge amount of natural resources, especially oil and natural gas, which are mainly found in the Niger Delta region. This has been both a blessing and a challenge for the country, because while oil has brought wealth, it has also caused environmental damage, especially in the delicate mangrove and river ecosystems. In addition to oil, Nigeria has other valuable resources such as coal, tin, limestone, and large reserves of arable land that support agriculture. Nigeria's physical geography is incredibly varied, with a range of tropical environments from mangroves and rainforests near the coast to savanna grasslands further inland. Its warm tropical climate, rich natural resources, and the presence of the mighty Niger River make it a country of immense geographical importance in Africa.